Hi boys and girls, it's Miss White. Today we are on lesson 107 and it looks like this. Make sure you have it and have your name on it. We're going to get started with our spelling sounds right away. Number one is ah. That's O, like octopus, O. Number two is W. Number three is oo, that's that O. Number four is ul, that's L, or as a final sound LL, which really when we write it just looks like a bunch of lines, doesn't it? Number five is v, not v, which is V, or as a final sound VE, because we can't spell a word with V at the end only. Number six is again, which is that OO. One is like like tooth, and the other is like hook, or like hook. Number seven is F. That's F, or as a final sound it could be FF. Number eight is dull. That's that final stable syllable DLE. Number nine is, that's S, C, or as a final sound SS, SE, or CE. And lastly, number 10 is X, which is X. All right, make sure you have those down before we practice spelling a couple of words. Alrighty, number 11, we are going to spell the word both. This is one of those wild colts because it says that O sound in it. Both. B-O and then T-H. Number 12, another wild colt word, mind. Mind. Make sure you have those two down. All right. Next, we're going to learn a new rule. We learned the vowel, consonant, vowel. Today we're going to learn vowel, consonant, or vowel and then accent, consonant, vowel. Now we're going to learn vowel, consonant, and then accent, and then vowel. All right? So we're going to learn this with the word robin. If we did how we learned the first way and we drew our line here for our vowel, consonant, vowel, that word, because it would get the maker on there and it would be robin. Is that how we say that word? It isn't. We say robin. So to make the O have a brev instead, we have to divide the word, the symbol up here instead. Then that gets a brev and it's robin. Does that make sense? That is what we are learning about today. Let's just get started practicing spelling some words, and then we'll get on to the coding, which is kind of where we learn a little bit more about this concept. All right, let's practice and spell the word ever. Number 13. I'll show you on the coding on this. Ever. If we had done this where we had drawn a line here, the word would be ever, and that's not right. So that's how we spell it with the accent like that. Number 14 is never, very similar to ever, but with an N at the beginning. Number 15, we're going to spell body. B-A-D, and then that E at the end is the Y. All right, make sure you have those three, and then we're going to move on and code our words. On number 16, the first word we're going to code is city. So we have that vowel, consonant, whoops, I wrote the wrong thing, silly Miss White. Vowel, consonant, vowel. So if we wanted to draw our line here in the wrong place, it would be city, and we know that's not the word, so we're going to draw it here, and then our I will get a brev. And our Y is going to get that little dot on the top. Number 17, we have visit. Vowel, consonant, vowel, and we'll draw our line here after the first consonant. Brev and a brev. Visit. Otherwise, it would be visit. Number 18 is robins, which we did this one, but they added an S, so we're going to box off that suffix. Draw our line here, a brev and a brev. And vowel, consonant, vowel. Number 19, these are hard to do because there's so much coding at the bottom. Number 19, salad. Again, it wouldn't be salad. It's salad. So vowel, consonant, vowel. We're going to draw our line here, and it gets a brev. And number 20, clever. Aren't you clever? Vowel, consonant, vowel. Our line here, here's our ER arc for a combination. Our E gets a brev and our C gets a K back. Make sure you have all that. Draw a line over to the picture that matches over there for me. And we're going to move on to our next group of coding. Number 21, donkey. Donkey, we have vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel going on here. We also have that E-Y digraph where we mark off the Y and the E gets a macron. We're going to draw a line to separate our two syllables there, and our O gets a brev. 22, breathless. Whew, that's how I feel after all this talking. I feel breathless. We're going to box off our L-E-S-S suffix. Here's that E-A digraph, and it's making that the sound like in thread. So we're going to cross off the E and the E, or the A, and the E gets a brev. And then we have our TH digraph there. 23, eagle. Again, they're bringing back that EA digraph today for us, aren't they? We have that final stable syllable, G-L-E. We cross off the E. Here we have our EA digraph where it makes the E sound, so we're marking off A, and the E gets a macron instead. 24, leafy. Again. This time our Y is a suffix. It's a suffix because it's leaf and then we're adding the Y, so that's a suffix. It's not part of the word. If it was part of the word, it would get that little dot to be the E sound for a Y. We're going to underline our EA, and it's leafy, so the E gets a macron. And number 25, skateboard. This is a very big compound word. So we're going to draw a line between skate and board. Here we have the OA digraph where we mark off the A and the O gets a macron. And then we have A, consonant E. Our E is sneaky, gets marked off, and the A says its name. Go ahead and make sure you have all those down, and then draw a line to the picture. On our worksheet, we are back to writing sentences. I think by now you guys know what we're doing. You're picking people out in the picture and saying what they are doing. This person is doing this. All right, I'll see you on the next video.